Come on, I do this every year. It's a tradition at this point.
Yeah.
Oh boy. No.
They must hate us.
I know. Like, one thing, yeah, because one, the light, two, it is a very yeah, flowers.
Zoe needs to bring her sparkler out.
Missed that one. Oh, I missed it again. Holy! That is beautiful. There's like a ton more going off over there, but no need. There's like a ton more going on over there. Yeah, you can see. They're like going off everywhere.
It's right there. See ya?
Yep. Yep, there's still some over there. Yeah, you can see some all the way over there. But that's almost nothing, I guess. But yeah, you can actually see some over there if you actually look carefully. Oh, I see more over there. No, it's kind of hard to see because we're all the way back here. But hey, it'll do. Yeah, there's definitely some over there. It's kind of hard to see. We're not going to go all the way over there. Because, whoa! Yo! Okay, did not see that one coming. Okay, we're going to head over here because we can actually see both of them now. Okay, I think I know where to do this
And then
now.
we've been watching, see? These are going to come right over our heads.
Okay, nice.
Okay?
Okay. And yes, that is my house over there. You can clearly tell it because you can already tell what it looks like. Unless you're a new viewer. Oh! That was insane. Whoa! Yep. See, look, now we can see from over here too. So yeah, now I'm able to view both sides. I can now view from up there and here. So hey, now we got two of them. I think unlike last year, where we only got to see from like one side. Wait, was that right? Because they were only shooting the fireworks last year, I think, in like one direction. Yo! That's awesome. Oh! Yo! Yo!
Look it over there.
Yeah. Yep, there's some over there too. Dude, those are cool. Yo!